How to fix access denied permission on your Windows. So if you have been getting this on your Windows, uh, you can fix the problem by following these steps. So if you have been getting something like access denied and you don't have permission to access a certain website, then you can follow these steps to fix your problem. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is first of all, head over to your browser, and on your browser you can once open your browser and you can tap on these three lines, and from here you can click on delete browsing data. So just click here. Now you just select your time duration. I'm going to do it for the last 24 hours, and make sure you select cookies and other sites. So once you make sure you select that, click on delete data. So once you do this, you can close your Chrome. And the second step that you can do is go ahead and open your search bar on your Windows. And here you are going to search for INETCPL. So if you're on Windows 10, it will show up something like this. And on Windows 11, you can see the internet options. So this little window will pop up, and here you see different tabs at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on the connection tab. And from here you can click on LAN settings. Now just make sure that under your proxy server, this box right here is unchecked. So make sure to uncheck this box and then click on OK. And then from here you can click on OK. Alright, so the last step that you can do is go ahead and open your browser. From here, click on the three dots again, and you will see extensions. If you don't see your extensions, you will find it on the More Tools option right here. So it's right here. I'm going to click my extensions, and from here I'm going to click on Manage Extensions. Now from here you can visit your Chrome Web Store, and on the search bar just search for VPN. You will see various VPNs on here. You can download whichever you want and see which one works best for you. This one is a free VPN, and it also has a great review for almost 47,000 reviews and 4.7 stars. So you can just open it and then add to Chrome. Just wait for it to download it, and once it's been added to your Chrome, what you can do is set up your VPN and click on next, and here you will have to continue to your VPN, agree to all of these conditions, and finally you will have to enter this CAPTCHA to verify that you're a human. So once you enter this, click on OK, and just make sure that you enter the correct CAPTCHA. So right here it's 8Z0N. And once you do this, click on continue. So it's MNSW, MNSW, and click on continue. So once this is done, you should be able to use your Chrome Web Store without having this problem right here. So if you have been facing this problem, just do the following things that I've just told you and you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.